Namaste friends, I am Gurji from Trading Emotion channel. Welcome to you all for my intraday demand and supply zone and what is market profile telling the story. See, this is the information is clearly telling that this is a fight between option sellers. Okay, this is fight between option sellers, CE and PE. Okay, they are don't know higher time frame. Fight between higher time frame. Okay, that means smart monies. So that's it. This is the shows. Okay, what market profile shows. This is a one-day candle of yesterday's candle. Okay, if you go to check the candlestick pattern, you will not get any information. Just a red candle you can see. A red candle you can see in the one-day chart. But here in market profile, the day will form like this structure. This is a market profile 30 minutes Nifty future chart you are watching now. Okay, so I need more motivation to you all. So the maximum view and maximum like I will start doing free of cost of market profile courses. Okay, so here see, this is we call as an anomaly. Okay, number one anomaly, number two anomaly, number three anomaly. That means somewhere the people are panicked. Okay, where? That is very important. Here, this day open was taken. This day open was taken. The PE sellers. Okay, you can take it that this PE sellers was panicked here. Okay, that PE sellers was panicked here when after gap up also, market came to their territory. So these people are not strong. These people are, we can say that these people are not strong. Okay, this is first information. And when they panicked, what they start squaring off on the I period. They start exiting on the I period. Then market came. Then that stage was done. When this open was cleared, new that option buyer na PE buyers, they came into the exact here. That means this selling. So here this is normally what we call in the market profile, this is a poor selling. That means one tick below of previous day open. Previous day open, one tick below of that, then market fall down again. But we are just trying for 19,750 a reversal. 750 reversal was when the I period till we expecting till 800, but it went up to 780. Okay, so what this market profile shows is this is a pakka panic squaring off. That's it. Nothing new in that. The structure itself will show you. So now what we can do? See, again these sellers will active when the market is coming this particular territory. So what is the territory? 19,720 or 725, again they will active. Okay, this region, that means 19,730, again the supply will come. Again supply will come in this territory. So if market opening flat or nearby 19,730, you can plan what to do. We are not suggesting any buy put or buy call, nothing. That is up to you. You can mark in trading view or wherever you want to mark these levels. But that's sure, again the supply will come in this particular territory if below market open below 19,730. Okay, this is one. If market this supply is not that much strong, then market spending more time here, then this two anomaly will clear today itself. That you just keep this information in your back of the mind to wait for the acceptance, and you can just watch the rejection. That you can plan how the rejection is happening, how the acceptance is happening here. This is one thing. Another one information is this single print. Okay, what is this single print? 19,605. 19,605. You can mark this is if market opening inside open, this is work as a demand for the time being. This supply will work as a demand. Okay, so that you can watch. So this is a demand zone. Here it is a 19,730 is a supply zone for the if market opening in between. Okay, then you can watch what market is going to do, whether market is spending more time in this particular 100 points, or market is breaking and moving up, or breaking down and moving down. These is the two levels you have to watch. These are the very important level if market opening flat inside the value area. Okay, let's check whether the market opening below this day, the low also you can watch. If any acceptance at low after opening here, in acceptance at previous day low, there are many days we are discussing market how to visit in this territory market how to visit. Okay, so if that low was taken, that low was taken, the first demand zone 19,560, then 19,530. 19,530 is a demand zone, next demand zone on the downside. On the upside, we told that above this particular POC and VPOC, everything is there. So that's why we are saying this is an important level. If market future is opening above, then also if any acceptance below that, then we can see this fall continuation today also. But this anomaly, these people are not strong. This I period high also weak. This JK period also weak. But they will, for the time being, temporarily they will act as a good supply zone. They will give some supply here, so that you can plan your trade setup. This market profile, see, it will give you the clear fight. Why I am saying the smart money is fight is, see, here the fight was started in between smart money, number one. Now they are pushing down. These people, this day, these people are pushing down. 20th July. Today is a 28th July we are discussing. After that, they are not getting down, more down. They are not getting more down. They are not getting more down. Okay, 3 days. This is 4th day. Again, market went to their territory. This is their low. See, there is a no market was opening again and again this particular people's profile. Again and again. See, again market went up. Again market went up. Again market went up. Yesterday was just opened exactly mid of their value area. Exactly opened mid of the value area. Again, what they done, they immediately pushed down the market. See, but again, not given good closing. With this type of emotional or panic selling was happened. So this is what I'm saying. This is a fight was happening here and here. Let's see who will win. We don't know who will win, but there is a two territory market how to visit again. One is here. This is a long pending here, long pending territory. So these are the two territory. Might be they will play a major role in between here on upcoming days. So we can watch what is going to happen. This is the Nifty future market profile chart analysis. I have less time, so I'm not doing any bank Nifty's analysis. So these are the levels you can mark in your trading view. You can plan your trade setup. Thank you very much.